A 10-minute yoga routine can be a great way to start your day. Take a break during work or wind down in the evening. Here's a simple sequence to follow with each pose lasting about a minute. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Stand tall with feet together, shoulders relaxed. Weight evenly distributed through your soles, arms at sides. 2. Take a few deep breaths. 2. Forward fold, Uttanasana. 1. Duración, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Exhale and bend forward from the hips, keeping your back straight and reaching for your toes. 2. If you can't reach your toes, let your hands rest on your shins or the floor. 3. Plank pose. 1. Duración, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Step back with both feet, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 2. Engage your core and hold. 4. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1. Duración, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. 2. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. 5. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Lower your body to the floor. Then lift your chest up while keeping your elbows close to your body. 2. Look slightly upward. 6. Child's pose, Balasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Sit back on your heels with your knees wide apart. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the floor. 2. Breathe deeply. 7. Cat-cow pose, Marjariasana Bitilasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Come to your hands and knees. 2. Inhale, arch your back and look up, cow pose. Then exhale, round your back and tuck your chin to your chest, cat pose. 2. Alternate between these two movements. 8. Warrior I pose, Virabhadrasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute, 30 seconds each side. 2. How to do it. Step 1 foot forward and bend the knee while keeping the other leg straight behind. 2. Raise your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed. 2. Switch sides after 30 seconds. 9. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. 1. Duration, 1 minute, 30 seconds each side. 2. How to do it. Stand on one leg and place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh or calf. Avoid the knee. 2. Balance and bring your hands together at your chest or overhead. 2. Switch sides after 30 seconds. 10. Savasana, corpse pose. 1. Duration, 1 minute. 2. How to do it. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and arms at your sides, palms facing up. 2. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax completely. Tips. 1. Breathing. Focus on deep, steady breaths throughout the routine. 2. Alignment. Pay attention to your body alignment to avoid strain. 3. Mindfulness. Keep your mind present and avoid distractions. This short routine can help improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Enjoy your practice.